In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 with a full tutorial. This will help you control your vacuum easily using the My Home app. First, make sure your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 is fully charged and turned on. Next, download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Search for Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 in the device list and select it. Follow the app's instructions to put your vacuum into pairing mode. Usually, you'll press and hold the power button until you hear a beep or see a blinking light. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the vacuum only supports this frequency. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to connect to your vacuum. Once connected, you can start cleaning, schedule runs, and adjust settings right from your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tutorials.